Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The all-new Chevrolet Silverado, the full-size pickup with a heritage of strength and dependability, improved bed design, and expanded cargo capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.